Welcome to Alikare and I'm Thea. In today's video we're going to talk about self-care, the skin, everything. Okay, so I like when I'm talking about skincare, I come to you natural as ever, especially it's because I'm using only natural products. Now, I don't believe that I should show you makeup or hairstyle, I should show you my skin. Now, if you look at most of my videos, there is a point where I look kind of dark on some videos and light on some and glowing on some. One is because of my camera lighting. Second is when I stop doing my regular routine to my face and I start to just leave it. Like I just completely stop doing my self-care routine and stop, so that glow will take a little time to fade away. Now, one thing you're supposed to know about skincare, too much care is not too much. Okay, you can never have too much skincare products also, and you have to be consistent. Because why? When you do self-care to yourself, especially taking away your blemishes and dead cells and all of those things from your face, dark circles around the eyes and so forth, you're exposed to the sun every day. So whatever you do for today, tomorrow you go out on the street, you are exposed to it. You're exposed to bacteria every day. And you're exposed to even the water that we use to shower. Some water, well, if you use warm water, it's good because that kills all bacteria from the warm water. Some waters have chlorine in it. Too much chlorine is not good for the skin. It dry out the skin and it also leave you with open pores. And I know maybe most of you didn't know that, but yes. Alright, so let's talk about what I think should be in a skincare product. I believe that no fragrance is supposed to be in your skincare product, especially moisturizer. I maybe will use some product with fragrance in it, but I rather product with no fragrance at all, and those products are the most expensive products. I also do believe in natural product more than any product in the world. So I've just launched my cosmetics website, right, where I have the hair removal wax on it, and I'm also going to put up some body scrub on it, and my body scrubs are from natural ingredients. It takes me a while to want to sell the scrub, one, because I've been using it on my customers for years, and I said if I sell them they won't need to come back to me, right? So I lose money from the spa. But then I start to widen my thinking and not just let it be an apple seed but a bunch of grape, meaning more ideas. I'm talking in metaphor, but I hope you understand why I said widen my ideas and try to say, okay, let me sell to everyone and doesn't matter, because people do like pampering. So I stopped to thinking about myself and thought to think about people out there who would love the treatment. I have really scaly skin, like really wretched scaly skin, and for me to be taking it, for it to even look good for me to can come on camera, trust me, I have to give those products that I've been using, the natural products, a good rating. But what happens when you use natural product? Some people don't understand that not every natural product is for all type skin. But you can find something that is natural that will fit all skin type, and the amount of period of time it takes to work on me, it might not take the same amount of time to work on you. It depends on your lifestyle, and it depends on how often you use it, and it also depends on your skin type and how you eat. So eating have a lot to do with your skin. All right, now if I'm not explaining correctly, there are so many videos that I've put on the channel that deal with the different type of scrub for different skin type and also how you should eat. So let's talk about the scrub that I've been using. I use the scrub on my face regularly. I do not have a moisturizer to go with this. I'm still thinking about getting the right chemist to do the moisturizer without the fragrance. But for now, we will use the vitamin E oil and also the moisturizer that I've been using naturally. I will give you an real practical when I finish set up everything and how I do it on my face, so you guys can understand how to use the product. One of the things that you should do in the beginning when you start your self-care is change your lifestyle. And I mean, the first thing that you should do if you're going to set up a routine for yourself is completely change how you live within your home. So for instance, I have this young lady, let's give you an example. She said, nothing that I use on my face, it work today, tomorrow it start back, 3 days it start back. If I start a cream next week and it work good, by next 2 weeks it start back. Then ask her one question: when do you change your bed linens? You have to change your bed linens, because when you sweat, that's bacteria, that your metabolism coming through your pores and it going on your linen. You can't keep the same linen on your bed for 1 week. Some people don't change your bed linen until weekend. One of the reasons is because they have a hectic lifestyle, and some people say, oh, it don't look dirty, so I don't have to change it. But what about the sweat that absorbs? Sweat doesn't must come with soil, it just have moisture, and it's soaked within your pillowcase and your bed linen. One of the things that my grandma taught me when I was growing up is that put on a sheet on the bed, because remember, bacteria is everywhere, it's in the air. Put on a sheet on the bed and remove that sheet when you go into bed, because bacteria will go on it. You do not sleep on that sheet. Take it off. That pillowcase that you have, take it off. Sometimes what she used to do is lock away the pillow that we are going to sleep and put the decorative one on the bed throughout the day. But I believe that if you have real sensitive skin, you can change your pillowcase at least 2 to 3 times per week. I change mine 2 times per week. Sometimes when my skin get very sensitive, like if I'm doing the facial routine or the skin routine like on a regular basis, because I really want that popping glow, I change it every other day. It's like I do not want nothing to happen to my skin. Also, the rag that you use, do you wash your facial towel or your skincare towel with your clothes? That's a no-no. With the same ingredients, some of those things that have a lot to do with your skin, because if you use some Savlon, it sweat back in your skin if you don't rinse out properly. So do not use anything that you use on your face with the linen and put everything in your washing machine. Now I'll give you more tips on how to take care of your skin. I hope this video helps you, and I hope you will go to my website, which soon launch. I will come back on the video when I finish with it and link the link for the cosmetics product in the about section, or should I say in the description, right below. One of the things you know about me, I have Alikare.com, that's where I sell my clothes, and I also have Alikare.club, that's where my customers go to make appointment and to look for prices and so forth. Reason being why I do not mix the clothes and the cosmetics together, I want to be able to talk to you about your skin different about from talking to you about your clothes. I don't want you to be distracted, so this is why I'm personalizing it just for you guys. Stay tuned for many more videos, and thank you so much. And I just start my self-care routine, so once you start with me, remember ladies, we have to moisturize our face every single day, whether you have sensitive skin or you don't have sensitive skin. And if you're not doing a deep pores cleanse facial, make sure that you scrub your face at least 2 to 3 times per week. I'm Thea, and this is Alikare.